Hi, I'm David with BringIt Tailgates, and I wanted to spend a few moments and give you even more detail about the amazing multi-function tailgate you have discovered. Now, first things first, this is a replacement tailgate. You take your existing tailgate off and you put this one on. Well, you're not taking your existing tailgate and modifying it. There is nothing from your old tailgate that you need. You can sell your old tailgate and make some money, or set it aside so if you sell your truck later and want to migrate your BringIt tailgate to your new truck, you have all of your bases covered. So let's talk functions. As we open the gate, the first thing we're going to look at is the elongator extension. This extension can be placed in various positions. Now, first of all, you can use it as a barrier to strap against a load you may have coming out of the truck. Then you can put it in the extension position to extend the length of the bed almost 2 feet. Now, you can load 650 pounds out here. It's great for carrying long loads of lumber, pipe, a kayak, paddleboard, whatever. Finally, by sliding a knob here in the center of the gate, you open up this channel that allows the extension to go down to the ramp position, and this forms the basis of a loading ramp. And the rest of your ramp system is inside the gate. Now, I love this part. I love showing people this. Inside the BringIt tailgate are 2 ramps. These are our ride inside ramps. There are 2 ramps stored in here, and each one's rated at 700 pounds. They are made out of aluminum and each have 2,500 traction feet on them. The entire system is designed so that when you close this gate, nothing rattles. It's been specifically designed to make sure that happens. Now, when you close the gate, this extension gets pinched between the bed and the tailgate by design so it won't move. Now, there's no bed intrusion with the BringIt tailgate. There are no issues if you have ram boxes. The useful space of your bed is exactly the same as it was before. So, now let's talk options. Let's talk cameras and locks. Now, if your truck is older and doesn't have a camera or a powered tailgate lock, then you obviously don't need those options. The tailgate will still lock, but just with a key that we will send to you. Just select none when you're building your gate on the website. Now, here's the second option, the standard camera and remote lock. This is what most newer trucks have. With this option, you get a new camera and power lock installed in the tailgate. Here's the camera right here. You put your truck in reverse and you see what is behind you. The remote locks work with your unlock switch inside your truck and or your key fob, provided your existing tailgate already does this, okay? Now, the third option is the switchback camera system. Now, at the top of this gate is another camera. This is the switchback camera. Now, this is the first open position camera system for a tailgate. When the tailgate is closed, you see what the standard camera sees. It works and you see behind you. When your tailgate is open, it automatically switches to this camera and you can still see what is behind you so you won't back into it. This provides a much better view than that standard camera, which usually just shows your upside down license tag. That's not very helpful when you're backing up. Now, regardless of the camera or remote lock system, all you have to do is plug up the connector that matches exactly to the wiring you already have in your truck. Everything will work right out of the box, just like it always did. Now, if you have an aftermarket camera and an in-cab monitor on an older truck, or if you have the Ford Ultimate Trailer Tow camera system, we can accommodate those special needs. Just contact us. Let's talk color match. Like this gate here, we can color match to your truck. Just select a color match option when building your gate. After we receive your order, we contact you for your VIN. And using that number, we tell exactly what color to paint the tailgate. When it arrives, it's ready to install. Now, don't want to get it painted yet or not sure? Then leave the color match option blank. We will deliver a matte black tailgate that is ready for painting And even if you don't paint it, it has a UV coating on it that'll keep it from faded. Anyway, we've got you covered. One of the questions we get a lot is, if the extension is only rated for 650 pounds, what happens when I want to ramp load something heavier than that? Now keep in mind the ramps are back here. I'm not attaching them just for the sake of clarity. Well, you can load something more than that weight. Now keep in mind when you're loading something, not all of the weight is on the extension at the same time. If you're loading an ATV, the front wheels may be on the extension, but the back wheels are still on the ground. And by the time the back wheels are on the extension, the front wheels are in the truck. This applies to most of the things you're going to ramp load. But you may put the full 650 pounds on the extension, but you can, regardless of this position or the extension position. Another question we get is, can you put an assist on this gate? And the answer is, yes, you can. But you may not need it, and here's why. Depending upon your truck, you may already have some type of system that lets the gate lower more slowly. Now, the BringIt Tailgate has a torsion rod installed that lets it open and close more easily. You open the Ford there, you don't even have to open your hands. Now, the tailgate will never feel that heavy, considering there are ramps and an extension and everything on there. Now, Ford and Chevy generally use a torsion rod. Ram often does not. That's why you see so many assist mechanisms on the Ram gate and maybe not as much on the other makes. Regardless, a torsion rod is installed on every gate we sell. Now, this gate is made of high-strength steel and is powder-coated inside and out to prevent rust. In addition, many of the parts like the ramps and the slide and everything are stainless steel, or the ramps, which are aluminum. All this keep the rust away. As you've probably discovered, there is no other tailgate like this. Most of the gates you buy now on your truck simply help you get in and out of the truck. They don't help you put anything or take anything out of your truck. And why'd you buy a truck? To put stuff in it. And that's what we're going to help you with. So if you have any further questions, feel free to chat with us on our website at BringItTailgates.com or send me an email at david@BringItTailgates.com, and I can answer any question you have. Thanks.